Well, Seymour, I made it, despite your directions.
Ah, Superintendent Hams. I hope you're prepared for an unforgettable luncheon.
Ah.
Oh, ye gods! My ham is ruined. But what if I were to purchase ham food and disguise it as my own cooking? Delightfully devilish hams. Skinner with his hams. Explanations. The superintendent's gonna need his hams. Hear Skinner's lame exaggerations. There'll be trouble in town tonight. Hams. Superintendent, I was just stretching my hams on the windowsill. Isometric exercise. Care to join me?
Why is there hams coming out of your oven, Seymour?
Oh, that isn't hams. It's hams. Hams from the steamed hams we're having. Steamed hams.
Ooh.
Superintendent, I hope you're ready for mouth-watering hamburgers.
I thought we were having steamed
hams. No, I said steamed hams. That's what I call hamburgers.
You call hamburgers steamed hams?
Yes, it's a hams dialect.
What?
Hams. Hams, New York?
Really? Well, I'm from
hams,
and I've never heard anyone use the phrase steamed hams.
Oh, not a hams. No, it's an hams expression.
I see. You know, these hamburgers are quite similar to the ones they have at Krusty
Hams. Oh, no. Patented hamburgers. Old hams recipe.
For steamed hams.
Hams.
Yes, and you call them steamed hams despite the fact they are obvious to
hams. Ham. Excuse me for 1 second. Hams. Hams. Well, that was wonderful. Good time was had by all. I'm hams.
Yes, I should be. Good
hams.
What is happening in there?
Aurora Borealis.
Aurora Borealis. At this time of
hams.
At this time of
hams.
In this part of the
hams.
Localized entirely within your
hams. Yes.
That's it.
Hams.
Seymour! The house is on fire!
No, Mother, it's just the northern hams.
Well, Seymour, you are an
ham
fellow, but I must say, you steam a good ham.
Hams.